Have you ever wondered what keeps a plane up in the sky, or how the aerospace industry manages to build machines that can fly faster and farther than ever before? One of the materials that has helped make these advancements possible is 7075 aluminum. At Advanced Grinding, we specialize in precision ground 7075 aluminum round bars. But what exactly is 7075 aluminum, and why is it so special? 7075 aluminum is a type of aluminum alloy that is composed primarily of aluminum, zinc, and magnesium. Its unique properties make it a popular choice for industries such as aerospace, defense, and transportation. The molecular structure of 7075 aluminum makes it incredibly strong and durable. It has a tensile strength of 83,000 psi and a yield strength of 73,000 psi. This means that it can withstand high stress and is able to hold up under extreme conditions. Because of its strength and durability, 7075 aluminum is often used in the aerospace industry to make airplane parts such as engine components, wing structures, and landing gear. It is also used in the defense industry to make military vehicles and equipment, as well as in the transportation industry for making high-performance bicycle frames and other equipment. At Advanced Grinding, we specialize in providing precision ground 7075 aluminum round bars to industries that demand high-quality materials. Our centerless grinding service ensures that our customers receive the exact dimensions they need for their specific application. So whether you're building an airplane or a bicycle, trust Advanced Grinding for all your 7075 aluminum bar needs.